Hi YouTube, welcome back to another banger, feel me? This is a POV drive, so I'm about to go to Dollar General, get myself a Sprite. Let me open it up real quick. Ooh. Damn, look at the fucking shit from this note. Alright, so let me turn this freaking shit on.
First place, man, we can't be in time for it.
Let me go get myself a Sprite, man. Oh shit. Oh my god, I feel good driving again, bro. But look at this guy's driving slow, bro. I don't like people who be driving slow, bro. Come on, speed up, bro. Oh shit, I need gas, bro. I need gas, man. It says fucking gas is low, man. The fuck? Oh shit, man. If I go get gas, I guess. Actually, I'll get gas later, bro. Alright, let me go get this Sprite first. Look at this view, bro. It looks nice, right? Bro, the view look nice, bro. Oh gosh. Let me pass this big car, bro. Oh fuck. Oh my god, man. They're driving slow, bro. Oh my. Let me just go back because Dollar General is right there, bro. Let me stop. I don't want to, pass the red light. Red light, green light. Right now it's red light. We stopping, feel me? Red light. Come on, green light. Oh, they got they got a girl in the back over there. I bet she's watching this beautiful baby right here. She fine as fuck too. I'm gonna spin the tires. Should I do that? Spin the tires? Nah, should I? I'm thinking, bro. Nah. Or should I do that? Oh, nah. Let me wait for these guys to pass real quick. POV. Come on, bro. Give me a green light so I can go, bro. Is it a girl or boy? Oh, shit. This shit moving, bro. Come on, guys. Go, bro. Go, bro. Come on. Go, bitch. Oh. I'm driving slow. Here's the Dollar General right there. I'm gonna park all the way over there. Cause where should I park? Probably right here. But this junkyard. So we're here. Let me get out real quick. Look at my shoes, bro. It's like NLE Chopper's boots. The dark boots. Feel me? No, that shit right there. The baby killer right there. Baby killer. Forgot to lock that shit. Oh, why they don't have Sprite in here? I'm looking for fucking Sprite, bro. Sprite. The fuck? Sprite. This. Oh, right here. Sprite. Wrong one. I'm getting two of them. Now I'm gonna look for the big box from Big Box. Where's the big box? Right. The big box. Shit. I didn't find it, so I'm finna get a Fanta. Shit up. Fanta? Nah. Mountain Dew, I think. Nah. Shit. Bro, well, let me get it front side, bro. Actually, no. Let me get this one right here. I think that's all. Yeah, that's all for sure. Let me go. As you see, we done paying for this shit. I'm done paying for this motherfucking shit. Right. Damn, the door's not open because of the fucking snow. Damn, wow, my boy. I'm fucking cooked. Oh, there you go. The fuck? Oh, this nigga driving slow. I'm about, well, let me see. Do they have car in front of them? Let me see. I'm about to call them, watch. So let me see. Where's Spomo? Let me put this bitch in Spomo and pass them. Spomo already? Oh shit. No way, I just did that shit. Fuck yes. Fuck yeah. Why you driving fucking slow, Dookie? Dookie boy? Why you driving slow, Dookie? Ah, they behind me, bro. You driving slow, looking ass nigga. Pussy boy. Pussy boy. Now we're here. Okay, now we go slow right here. Man, that nigga is stupid, bro. Stupid coconut melon. Coconut, I'm home. I'm home safe. Brr. Let me move this bitch in spot. Okay, so you park first. Seatbelt out. Turn it off. Take your stuff. Take your stuff inside.